Lab 12-3. Create a masking format in Oracle DataSafe.
In this lab, you learn how to do the following. Create a masking format and assign a default masking format to a user-defined sensitive type. Step 1. Connect to your Xscs database as the sys user with Sql Developer. Please visit Lab 4, Configuring a Development System for use with your Xscs database for instructions to securely configure Xscs to connect using Oracle SQL Developer, SQL XL, and SQL+. Step 2. In SQL Developer Web, research the Department ID column in your target database to help you figure out how to create a masking format for it. Run the following command. Next, run a select on the departments table. Notice that the department ID values are 10, 20, 30, up to 270. Click the Data Modeler tab.
Step 3. Sign back into the Oracle DataSafe console using your DataSafe credentials.
Step 4. In the Oracle DataSafe console, create a masking format to mask department IDs. In the Oracle DataSafe console, click the Library tab, and then click Masking Formats, and finally click Add. The Create Masking Format dialog box is displayed. Leave the Create Like drop-down list as is, and in the Masking Format name field, enter Custom Department ID. In the Masking Format description field, enter the same thing. Select your resource group, and from the Format drop-down list, select Random Number. In the Start Number field, enter 10. In the End Number field, enter 9,990. Click Save. A confirmation message states that you successfully created the masking format. Move the Hide Oracle Predefined slider to the right and verify that your masking format is listed.